Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to change sheet size. So we have this example 3D objects and I will go to sheet. You can click file, new, and then I will use drawing sheet. So as default will be show for the object projection in this sheet. And if you want to change sheet size, you can go to sheet setup and click on format. So there are a lot of options you can use, like you can set into A4, A portrait, landscape, B portrait, and you can scroll down again to set into A3, the next A2 and A1. So we'll click this option A1 and you can see the sheet size will be automatically changed. You also can change for the scales at this point. You can set to 21, so it will be more bigger for this object. Okay, to change again, you can click format and then you can choose your size in here. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to change sheet size. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.